Now, speaking of tech acquisition, sales, etc., Verizon has agreed to sell Yahoo and AOL to a private equity firm for $5 billion. This is a headline where I'm like, wait a sec, Yahoo and AOL still worth $5 billion?
Oh.
Damn. You don't hear these words as much. I mean, at one time, holy smokes. Actually, Verizon purchased AOL in 2015 for $4.4 billion and Yahoo in 2017 for $4.5 billion. So they're like, $9 billion deep on it.
Yeah.
So it was sort of a fire sale, but they claim that they turned it around. They had an ad business and a media business going on with these brands, and
they were going to the moon with it.
Yeah, and they say, oh, it's still good news. It's just that this private equity firm is going to take it to the next level. Apollo. Apparently will this will allow Verizon Media to aggressively pursue growth areas, and it stands to benefit its employees, advertisers, publishing partners, and nearly 900 million monthly active users worldwide.
Oh.
Yeah, they're still there, man. The Yahoo thing is still there after all these years. Once upon a time, it was the hottest page on the internet. But I find myself every so often in the news feed, I'll have some article from here. But they got other products, too, that people use. Some people still use the mail.
Yes.
And some people still use the pools for the sports teams and things, Yahoo Sports.
Is there still Yahoo Messenger?
I have no idea. Probably, maybe. I don't know. But there's still some products there. And they're able to get $5 billion. So, you take that $5 billion on that one.
Wow, look at that clip art.
Yeah.
Very 90s.
That's 1998 in a nutshell right there.
Yeah.
That's the entire year in a nutshell right there.
Did you have any fond memories of AOL or Yahoo?
You know what, man? Was this the same era as Messenger? Microsoft? Or was this the same era as MSN? Or was this the same time as ICQ?
You mean AOL?
Like AOL had a messenger, Yahoo had a messenger, MSN had a messenger, and ICQ I think was before all that.
Yeah, ICQ was slightly before that.
Yeah.
From what
I would say most of my early messaging. Man, I remember with ICQ, we used to have a way of there was like a way you could screw up the next guy's computer, like on over chat. You could run certain. I don't even remember how we would do it, but you could like open the dude's disk drive and freak him out. You could you send like a message bomb and like freeze his whole thing. We would goof around with that. You never did
good
that?
Times.
You never did that stuff?
No.
Oh yeah, we would do that stuff.
Do you remember your ICQ number?
Not at all. No. Was it a number?
Yeah.
It was a number.
8 numbers.
You're right. It was a number. I remember the notification sound. Uh-oh.
Yeah. Very distinct.
Yeah. That was the first taste of of the eventual social media crack that was on its way. Uh-oh. It's like, and then it just ballooned with all the current social media now anyway. Yeah.
Very poetic too. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Look what's coming. What a weird, you got a message and it said, uh-oh?
Yeah.
Did it actually say, uh-oh, or did I just make that up?
No, it was.
Uh-oh. Why would it be uh-oh? That's really interesting, dude.
Hold on,
Play it. Oh, that's very bizarre that they were predicting the future. It's uh-oh. Oh, man, you're triggering my brain right now. You're unlocking. No.
You just got 10 messages right there.
No.
Yeah.
Wow. Uh-oh. Look at the top comment. I met my husband on ICQ 13 years ago. We were both in our early 20s, married this year in January. That was 3 years ago. Wow. These comments are just... The internet I actually liked. Comment from 6 years ago, and it's just that sound. Wow.
I bet he was a Napster guy.
Wow, you know, the youngsters right now, they don't even know what we're talking about, but this is when it was a novel thing to just message people online. That was a novel thing in real time.
Yeah.
To not
Start
have
up
to,
your 56K.
to not have to call them.
Yeah.
That was it. You could manage multiple conversations at once. And if you were interested in a girl at school, this is all you needed.
Oh, yeah.
That's all you needed.
Yeah.
You just get the ICQ, you're all set. Crazy time, man.